Ants do have ways of communicating, and they do so in surprisingly complex ways, although they don't use sounds like humans do. Their main method is through pheromones, but they also use movements, touches, and even vibrations. Here's how they communicate in detail. 1. Pheromones, the chemical language of ants. Pheromones are chemicals that ants release and detect with their antennae. Depending on the type, they can transmit different messages. Trail pheromone. A scout ant finds food and, upon returning to the nest, leaves a chemical trail that others follow to reach the source. Alarm pheromone. If there is danger, such as a predator or a threat to the nest, they release another pheromone that puts everyone on the defensive. Recruitment pheromone. If help is needed for a large task, such as moving something or attacking, an ant can call for reinforcements. Social pheromones. Inside the nest, they use them to recognize who belongs to their colony, what their role is, worker, queen, soldier, etc., or if an ant is sick. Antennae, their smell and touch. The antennae function as chemical detectors and contact sensors. They greet or acknowledge each other by touching their antennae, thereby smelling each other. A simple interaction with antennae can convey a wealth of information about another ant's status, function, and origin. 3. Touches and movement patterns. Ants also communicate through body touches. For example, a worker may touch another to request food mouth to mouth. This is called trophallaxis. They may also push or shake each other if there is an emergency, such as during nest evacuation. For sounds and vibrations, stridulation. Some ant species can produce vibrations by rubbing parts of their bodies together, especially in situations such as being trapped. These vibrations travel through the ground and can be detected by other ants. It's not common in all species, but under certain conditions, it's also used for communication. In short, ants don't have a verbal language, but their communication system is very efficient and fully adapted to group life. They combine chemistry, touch, and vibration to coordinate tasks, defend themselves, share food, and survive as a superorganization.